Hello guys, Ramesh from Gears Chennai. Welcome back to another video. This video is going to be all about Studs Thunder helmet. Studs Thunder has come up with two different graphics this time. So they've come up with D6 graphics as well as D7 as well at the same time. So they have various different color options in this. Before getting into the color options, let me explain the basic features of the Thunder. So this particular helmet Thunder has various features. Let me go one by one. Let's start with the ventilation. It has three ventilation, one in the chin and two at top of the head. It has a rear exhaust as well to push out the heat air. And the inner padding can be completely removed and washed as well. This helmet comes with inbuilt chin curtain as well. This helmet has a silver iridium visor when you purchase itself. So this particular helmet has ISI certified. And the retention system is quick release. So you can easily put on the helmet and off. Let me show you the color schemes which we have right now in stock. So in D7 right now we have four different colors. The glossy red version, the matte neon version, the blue tint matte and the green tint matte as well. So these model, I don't know how to name these. You can leave down in the comment section below what graphics you can name it for, because D6 I have named it as casino themed. You can see the poker coins, the card theme and all here. In D6 we have the matte neon version and the glossy white and black version as well. So these were the older graphics which we've already made a video of the Thunder and Shifter series. If you haven't watched that, kindly watch it in the iCard. I'll put it right here. So we've left a few models over there. So we've added that this time in this video. So this is the D5 neon, D4 red and all the D3 versions, orange, red, white and blue. And so whatsoever reason did you like this video, give it a like, share it to all your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.